It is biological, and also it becomes psychological. I am attached to one is attached to one's wife. Without wife, you feel lonely. You lose all comfort, or the husband. So the more you register, the more attached you are. And the more attached you are, the greater the fear of losing. And facing that which is the loneliness, the emptiness in that loneliness, and trying to run away from that loneliness through various forms of entertainment, religious and otherwise. So we are saying, where there is registration, unnecessary registration, there is no love.